Hey taxpayers, it's Tiffany Gonzalez, CPA of Accounting to Scale. There is a lot of fake news on social media about paying back your stimulus check, and I'm here to set the record straight just for you. Will you have to pay back your stimulus check on your next tax return filing? No, definitely not. The stimulus payments are a really unique refundable tax credit that is available on the 2020 tax return. Because you're in need, the government has decided to advance that tax credit and send it to you now. They're basing whether you should receive this credit on your 2019 tax return or 2018 if you haven't filed your 2019. Many people fear that their income may have qualified them in a prior year to receive the stimulus, but now in 2020, their income may be higher and they may no longer qualify for this stimulus. Many people are worried that that means they may have to pay it back. That's not true. The IRS will not be asking for this money back. There are many people that are concerned about whether or not this stimulus will affect their normal tax refund. It will not. You'll likely on your 2020 tax return have to report whether or not you received your stimulus. Your stimulus payment will not reduce the tax refund that you would normally get. So let's say you did not qualify to receive the stimulus payment now based on your last file's tax return income. But in 2020, you lost your job or got laid off or was given reduced hours. So as a result, you'll now meet the income threshold of $75,000 or less for singles or $150,000 or less for married individuals filing jointly. Well, if that's the case, here's the great news. The great news is you'll get your stimulus payment on your 2020 tax return that you will file in 2021. What about babies born in 2019 or 2020? You may have received your stimulus payment, but you didn't receive the $500 for your newly born child. Well, when you file your 2020 tax return in 2021, you will then qualify for the $500 stimulus payment for your child, assuming you meet the respective income threshold at that time. The stimulus check is actually not taxable also. If you'd like to stay up to date with all of the valuable content that we're putting out, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram at Accounting to Scale. Follow us on Facebook at Accounting to Scale. Follow us on LinkedIn, Tiffany Gonzalez, CPA.